Hi. Yeah, another little video about my upcoming workshop and Tantra Touch Temple Night. So these days are designed for a community that is curious about embodiment, healing, connection, making new friends, having laughs, learning new things, theory and experience, and also partially to recharge your batteries and fill your cup up again. So all my work revolves around embodiment and experience. So the next day workshop is gonna be a genital dearmouring. However, this can be done fully clothed as well as in the clothing optional physical dearmouring with touch or energy. But we also look at it much deeper because our genitals are directly connected to our brain. Followed by the Tantra Touch Temple. And here we look at the 4 types of touch: nurturing touch, remedial healing touch, sensual touch, and sexual touch. They are all equally important in a person's life, and the expression of those is different importances at different times of the day, different days of the week. So that is always followed by an optional sauna and hot tub, and lots of loves and lovely food. So if you're interested, go online, tasteoflove.com.au, and check out our next offering for May 6th, the day workshop and the Tantra Touch Temple. I hope to see you there.